Philip Stoten from EMSNow. I'm joined by Raymond from EMSNow. Raymond, thanks for joining me.
Thank you, Phil.
Sun's shining, we're getting to the end of the week here in Southern California, and it looks like it's been a pretty good show. Everybody seems pretty happy. With that, the sun goes behind the cloud, but there you go. Raymond, the vibe on the floor seems to be pretty good. There was a weight of expectation at the beginning of the week, but it's fulfilled. How have you found it?
Yes, a lot of exhibitors have told me that the quality of visitors has been really good. And they like the leads that they got so far. Yes, it's been excellent for them.
Okay, and in terms of regions that those leads have come from, I get the impression that Mexico's played reasonably well, South America, but predominantly a Californian, North American audience.
Yes, Mexico especially has been getting a lot of talk, and they feel that some manufacturing at least have been coming back from China to Mexico.
Okay, yes. And you've been down on the floor talking to people about technology, about new products. What do you think is driving those developments at the moment?
When it comes to technology and for materials as well as for equipment, I think cost is a very important selling point for all those exhibitors. I mean, when it comes down to even simple stuff like board support tooling or feeder support tooling, and to the more advanced stuff like advanced package rework equipment, cost has been one of the fundamental priority for all these equipment manufacturers. And even on the material side, with the high cost of metals like silver and stuff like that. So there's been a lot of development in this area regarding solder paste to take out silver from the alloy. So you get just tin copper or tin zinc and stuff like that.
Okay. And the issue of yield, the issue of efficiency, which again comes through to cost, seems to be playing. There's quite a lot of products that are there to increase yield, reduce rework.
Yes, I mean there is a trend to reduce operator dependency in most of this equipment that has been done, and that of course reduces the amount of errors that is involved during production. Yes, and for factory-wide systems, of course, there's a so-called a call for more automation. Instead of a manual operator dependence. And this would so-called guarantee a greater or faster ROI for companies.
And ROI is what it's all about with the new products. A lot of incremental improvement going on. Also, what I've seen is some companies kind of expanding their offering along the product line. I talked to some companies that said South America are looking for kind of whole line solutions, you know, from screen print, pick and place, ovens. Have you heard much about that this week?
Yes, there is synergy, especially for certain companies that come under an umbrella group, where they could offer various types of solution along the process. And I think this plays towards a great advantage for these companies. Also, a lot of companies have so-called talked about the value added that they can provide, including engineering services and customization as well.
Yeah, they seem to be key. And you've been sitting down here with some people talking about technology. Some pretty interesting groups here. Some pretty big brains up here. What's that been like? That's been an interesting challenge for you, I guess.
Yes. It's been very challenging, you know, to keep up with exactly what has been challenging the manufacturers, and to talk about solutions. But it's been rewarding at the same time, you know, to find out. And all this input, I think, is very, very important. In order to move the industry forward.
And so you're going to be taking those forward into a webinar series, but doing more of those in Shanghai.
Yes. We'll be doing stuff like conformal coating, you know, and soldering reliability, and all those stuff. And we'll bring it on the road, so to speak. To Asia as well.
Yeah, I mean, I hope with that and we can deliver the business trends, but it's great to be able to deliver the technology stories and find out what's actually behind the business trends.
Oh yes. Those are the meat and potatoes of the industry, so it's very important to have those.
Okay. And in terms of new products that you've seen, any highlights? Anything that particularly jumps out? It seems to me it's quite incremental, quite gradual.
Yes. I would say it's been a evolution rather than a revolution. So you get a lot more tabletop solutions, and again, like what I emphasized earlier, cost is a very big issue. So you get lower price point products with tabletop solutions. You also get more integration of other capabilities into existing machines, like inspection capabilities like AOI into a selective soldering system. So just as an example, you know. things like that. Yep.
Cool. And you've been doing a lot more work with these guys, with the cameras.
Oh, fantastic guys.
Yeah. Have you, you look like you're starting to enjoy it more, you're relaxed, you're having fun with it?
Yes, I'm having fun with it. It's been challenging thinking on my feet, but I'll catch on.
Yeah, it's going great. Well, Raymond, thanks. It's been a pleasure to have you here.
Yep.
Thanks for chatting, and
thank you very much,
Phil.
Phil.
The rest of the day.